And we have a big reaction coming in at this point in time from Jammu and Kashmir, and this one is from Farooq Abdullah. His first reaction: Umar Abdullah earlier had said there is going to be no politics on Pahalgam, and now Farooq Abdullah is talking about something bigger than Balakot when it comes to the response to Pakistan. And listen in to what exactly he said.
वो जबरदस्त अफसोस है कि हमारा पड़ोसी आज भी नहीं समझता कि उसने इंसानियत का कत्ल किया। अगर वो ये समझता है, इससे हम लोग पाकिस्तान में चले जाएंगे, उनकी इस गलतफहमी को दूर करना चाहिए। हम जब 47 में उनके साथ नहीं गए, आज क्यों जाएंगे? हमने टू नेशन थ्योरी तब पानी में फेंक दी थी, और हम टू नेशन थ्योरी को आज भी मानने के लिए तैयार नहीं। हिंदू, मुसलमान, सिख, ईसाई जो भी हैं, हम सभी का एक है। पैदा करने वाला वो है, जिस नाम से आप चाहते हैं उसका नाम ले लीजिए। जो ये समझते हैं कि हमें वो इससे कमज़ोर कर देंगे, हम इससे कमज़ोर नहीं, हम इससे मजबूत हो रहे हैं और उनको अच्छा जवाब देंगे।
बातचीत होनी चाहिए, कुछ नेता
क्या होना चाहिए?
बातचीत होनी चाहिए,
डायलॉग्स होने चाहिए।
सुनिए, मैं आपसे कहता हूँ, मैं हर वक्त डायलॉग का फेवर करता था। मैं हर वक्त चाहता था कि बातचीत हो, मगर बताइए उन लाशों के को क्या कहेंगे और उनके घर वालों क्या कहेंगे? क्या हम बात करेंगे? क्या ये इंसाफ है? आज भारत चाहता है, वो नहीं, बालाकोट नहीं, आज भारत चाहता है कि ऐसी बात हो कि इसके बाद कभी ऐसी चीज ना हो।
कश्मीरी लोगों ने जो हेल्प किया सर, उसको किस तरह देखते हैं? सबको बचाया।
हम लोगों में हर वक्त भाईचारे को पकड़ा है और आज भी उसका एग्जाम्पल आपके सामने आ गया है।
बिलावल भुट्टो ने
Let's now go across to my colleague Pragya joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Viewers, you heard the reaction coming in from Farooq Abdullah. And Pragya, now this is a very, very interesting statement that has come from Farooq Abdullah, because on one hand, we are seeing within the Congress a race to defend Pakistan, to somehow defend, terror. Some call that we should not have war. Some are saying that, we should have talks with Pakistan. We should sit across the table. But here you have Farooq Abdullah, who always in the past has spoken about the need to have talks with Pakistan, says that we need to give a response that's strong enough so that what happened in Pahalgam does not happen again.
Meenakshi, we need to understand the politics of these parties as well. Remember, National Conference has a government in Jammu and Kashmir, and Omar Abdullah is the Chief Minister, who is son of Farooq Abdullah. Now, they do not want any sort of disruption in the governance. Obviously, one part. Second part is tourism is badly hit. That is the backbone of the economy of Jammu and Kashmir. And every Kashmiri is also feeling the heat of that. And this is exactly the reason why many of the local Kashmiris have come out on the roads protesting against Pahalgam terror strikes, and seems to be voicing their opinion in favor of Bharat and against these terror attacks. So we need to understand the politics of these parties as well, and the fact that National Conference is right now in power in Jammu and Kashmir, and this is the time where they would want peace and they would want stability in their union territory. As of now,
interrupting you there, request you to stay on with us. Let me go across to my colleague Tejri as well, who's joining us live right now for more on this. Tejri, perhaps Congress party also needs to learn a lesson from its ally, NC, because that's the sentiment of the people on the ground. But then you have several Congress netas trying to suggest that we need to still engage in dialogue with Pakistan, even as it continues to mercilessly kill unarmed, innocent civilians.
Well, absolutely right. we are reporting just outside the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly. In fact, we also heard where Omar Abdullah in fact stated and took the responsibility of the. In fact, he in fact stated that whatever has happened, it's the failure of the failure as him as a chief minister, as a tourism minister, and in fact he also stated that the tourists who trusted him and came over there in Jammu and Kashmir in Pahalgam, so that's why in fact they trusted the government and that is why they came over there. But then he failed. That's the kind of statement coming in from Omar Abdullah. And in fact, he also stated that there should be no politics played over it. Then we saw the statement coming in from Farooq Abdullah, who in fact always talks about the peace talk, who in fact always states that have been stating that there should be one-on-one talks with Pakistan. But in fact now Farooq Abdullah is also stating that enough of these peace talks. After this particular Pahalgam terror attack, if the peace talks takes place, then what kind of answer will we give to all those families who have lost their loved ones? Number 4, if we talk about this reaction coming in from the Congress party leaders here in Jammu and Kashmir, the Jammu and Kashmir chief of Congress party himself stated that there should be peace talks, and in fact he also stated when Times Now confronted him, he stated that there's nothing regrettable so as to what he has said, and not just one, but in fact not just once but multiple times he reiterated the same statement that he has been talking about, that there should be peace talks, because every time if there's a terror attack, then we give a response to it, and then there is another response from Pakistan. So such kind of attack and counter attack keeps on taking place. So that's what the statement that was coming in from the Congress party. But here the senior leadership of Congress party really needs to come out and give a clarification that that's a statement of an individual or someone who belongs, who is an MLA, or that's the stand of Congress party.
Well, absolutely. Thank you very much, Tejshri as well as Pragya. Appreciate both of you for the moment for joining us with your